Paris, 1890s. The Moulin Rouge cabaret is ablaze with electric lights and can-can dancers. Henri de Toulouse-Lautrec, the diminutive aristocrat turned artist, prowls its smoky halls, sketchbook in hand. His famous painting, At the Moulin Rouge, captures this world in rich detail, but it also hides some intriguing secrets. Today, you'll discover 5 secrets about this iconic work. Secret 1. Montmartre's celebrities in the painting. At first glance, it's a lively nightclub scene, but every figure is a real-life personality from Montmartre's nightlife. Lautrec painted his own friends and local stars, essentially a who's who of the 1890s Parisian bohemian circle. At the table centre sit a group of 5. Edouard Dujardin, a novelist and poet. La Macarona, a Spanish flamenco dancer. Paul Sescu, a society photographer. Maurice Guibert, a wine merchant and amateur photographer. And the flame-haired Jane Avril, a famous can-can dancer who was one of Lautrec's closest friends. These were not random models, they were Montmartre's elite. Dujardin pioneered literary techniques in his magazine Le Revue Indépendante, and Jane Avril was a sensation at the Moulin Rouge, known for her subtle, sinuous dance style that Lautrec captured in many of his paintings and posters. In the background to the right, fixing her hair, is Le Ghoul, born Louise Weber, the Moulin Rouge's queen of the can-can. Her nickname means the glutton, for her habit of downing patrons' drinks. You can watch our other video linked in the description to discover why Parisians ripped Lautrec's poster of Le Ghoul off the walls. And even the eerie-faced woman looming in from the right is a real person. She's May Milton, an English dancer and singer whose pale green-tinted face and red lips made her a scandalous figure, who Lautrec also painted several times. Secret 2. Toulouse-Lautrec's self-portrait cameo. Henri de Toulouse-Lautrec didn't just paint the scene, he stepped into it himself. Look closely and you'll spot the artist within his own painting. In the centre-left background, just beyond the group at the table, a short man in a brown coat and bowler hat strolls by. This is Lautrec, depicted himself in profile. It shows Lautrec's pride in belonging to the Moulin Rouge's crowd. By inserting himself, he signals that he wasn't just another observer, but an insider in Montmartre's demi-mode. It's a playful tradition. Artists from Rembrandt to Degas have included hidden self-portraits in their work. And here, Lautrec joins the party he's portraying. If you love art and the stories behind great artworks like this one, please subscribe to get more. And click the like button to spread the word to help us keep making these videos. Thank you. Secret 3. Cut and repair. Believe it or not, this canvas did not always look the way it does now. In fact, it was once literally cut into pieces. The grotesque green-faced woman on the right, May Milton, so shocked early viewers that the painting's owner, or dealer, physically cut off her section of the canvas. By the time At the Moulin Rouge first exhibited in 1902, after Lautrec's death, May Milton's figure, and even a strip along the bottom, had been removed, leaving an odd fragment with her missing face. One theory is that the dealer found Milton's ghoulish, acid green visage too disturbing and thought the painting would be easier to sell without it. For years the painting remained adulterated, lacking its haunting foreground figure. Mysteriously, by 1914, the missing piece was reattached to the original canvas. a restorer or collector realised the importance of May Milton's presence and reunited her in the scene, repairing Lautrec's composition to its full original glory. Secret 4. The eerie green glow. Perhaps the most unsettling detail in the painting is May Milton's face bathed in the greenish-white light. Audiences often wonder, why is she so ghastly green? And the answer lies in the lighting, and possibly in a potent drink. The Moulin Rouge cabaret was lit by harsh gas lights, which would cast a sickly green pallor on anyone nearby. Lautrec, ever interested in modern effects, exaggerated this glow on May Milton's face to startling effect. Under the gas lamps, her skin looks almost corpse-like. It's a clever bit of realism. Contemporary viewers would recognise the garish lime green tint that gaslight could give to powder white makeup. But there's also a symbolic twist. Green was the colour of absinthe, the infamous strong liquor nicknamed La Fille Verte, the Green Fairy, beloved and feared in Montmartre's nightlife. Absinthe's hallucination-inducing reputation made it a symbol of decadent indulgence. By painting May Milton's face in green, Lautrec might be hinting that she, or the whole scene, is under the influence of this bohemian poison. So the eerie green glow is both a natural effect of gaslit Paris and a nod to the hallucinatory haze of absinthe-soaked nights. It gives the foreground figure a haunting, almost spectral aura, as if the Green Fairy is watching over the cabaret. If discovering the stories behind At the Moulin Rouge has made you fall in love with it, you can own a copy for yourself. We have this and hundreds of others available in our store, artloveart.com. Every piece you collect helps us continue to make intriguing videos like this one. Thank you. Secret 5. Japanese prints and the bold composition. Why does At the Moulin Rouge feel so dynamic and oddly cropped? Its asymmetrical composition, with a balustrade slashing diagonally across the front, figures cut off at the edges, and suffocating space. This was revolutionary for European painting at the time. Toulouse-Lautrec found inspiration in an unexpected source: Japanese ukiyo-e woodblock prints. In the late 1800s, Paris was crazy for Japanism. Japanese art flooded into France and captivated artists with its radically different style. Lautrec collected Japanese prints and incorporated their visual ideas such as bold cropping and unusual angles, as seen here in prints by Utagawa Hirashie. By channeling ukiyo-e prints, Lautrec gave At the Moulin Rouge its striking composition, one that feels candid and immediate, like a scene captured in a fleeting glance and not a stiff pose. This inventive framing places us in the moment with the revellers, as if we've just turned our heads and caught a slice of Montmartre nightlife. If you were fascinated discovering the tales behind At the Moulin Rouge, you'll enjoy our other Art Love Art stories. Check this one out. I think you'll love it. I'll see you over there.